Hey yo, I find it funny, like all these, people, these religious people are like, atheists is like the, the devil and, and Satan, because we are thinking, astronomically, cosmo, like way outside the fucking box. But seriously, you have to ask yourself, where did your God come from? What created it? I mean, they suggest it's always eternal. But the funny thing is, why you got things popping in and out of existence, man, in space, Remember, like, it's nothing like on Earth, man, And it's like, if, like, what is it, 90% of scientists are atheists? Does that mean we're all crazy? Come on now. We're just thinking the bigger way. We're thinking, using our brains so vast, you know. We're just cutting yourself when you say there's a God. God did it all, man. So stick with the atheist, man. Because whatever it started it, it's some freaky shit. It's some freaky shit. From dark energy, dark matter, some freaky shit, man. Um, it's like, I mean, but seriously, you can claim all the God you want, but seriously, you have to ask your question, man. Where did your God come from? What created it? Seriously, bottom line, man. I know some freaky stuff, hard to believe a starting point, or if not a starting point, multiple starting points, or even not. Maybe just no starting point. What happens if there's just not a starting point? Because think about it. T equals 0, matter, energy, internal, 0. Even when there's empty space, there's still stuff popping in and out of existence. It's not like just there. It's like, think about Earth, something is there, it stays there. That's not how it is in space. Something is there, it'll disappear, and it'll reappear. It's some freaky shit, man. So, not only that, why would God decide? If scientists know when the universe is going to end, why would God just end it billion years? So if people believe that God created the universe a billion years old, some people think 6,000 or 1,000, 10,000 years old. How can scientists pinpoint that the universe is going to end a billion years? And, it's because of science. It's not God. It's like, why would God just all of a sudden, let's take God in the context of everything. Why would God give diseases, illnesses, cancer, like I said, the born babies? Why would God just let crime happen? Why would God let disasters happen? If you really believe in God, ask yourself all these questions. Why would God let suffering? Why would God kill people? Or as in the books, you know, if the universe is freaky, man, it's definitely another explanation. Some freaky stuff, man. I mean, we got freaking dark energy, dark matter. I got it right now, everywhere in my freaking home, and I can't even fucking see it. That's some freaky ass shit. Maybe we'll get like, we probably can get like a special night vision, and we can probably see that shit. What if it's fucking little, I don't know, fucking aliens or something? Like I said, it's some freaky shit, man. And it's gotta be some fucking alien extraterrestrial shit, man. And, you know, um, but seriously, what if there wasn't a starting point? What if just things happened? Because if things popping out of existence, you know, I know it's hard to comprehend, but the universe, space is freaky, man. They got fucking black holes consuming each other, white holes, and fucking things popping in and out of existence. It's some just freaky shit. So what happened if there wasn't a beginning? What happened if it's just or starting? What happened if it's just um shit just came into existence like a freaky, I don't know, fucking extraterrestrial, freaky stuff? What happened if there was just no beginning? That's what the science says. The universe is infinite. It just goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Some freaky shit. Oh man, some freaky shit, man. And you know, there's always, you used to watch all the unsolved mysteries with the ghosts, and the UFOs, and um, reincarnation. Like they had this story where this it's all bogus. It's never been predicted that this person died and then the person came back as a different person. Um, Imagine if Christopher Hitchens came back as a different person. I mean, you would know it would be Christopher Hitchens because of the way he would talk and sound. Well, maybe it would be different as sounding voice, but the way he would express himself. But that's never happened in in real life. So all that fantasy, man, the heaven, hells, and reincarnation, and fucking resurrection, it's just fantasy. I mean, it's just a fantasy. The real universe is more mysterious and bizarre than any fantasy, any fiction. It's fucking weird ass shit. Yeah, it's just so that's why we're atheists, folks. That's why I'm atheist. I'm like the scientist. I roll with the scientists. I'm looking at the, like 90% of the scientists. I'm looking at the big, way outside of the box picture. And not only that, learning, we, the Bible contradictions, doing research, and, the gods, it's fucked up in the religions, and so many religions, and not only that, the DS God, infinite regression, where did it come from? So it's obviously the explanation of no deities, it's just something freaky. And like I said, it could not, if the universe is infinite, it just came to exist, or I know it's kind of hard to, boom, it just popped it. But, people could say, well, if the God exists, boom, it just existed. Well, you can say that, but you really can't say that because a God is more complex than the universe and just exists all of a sudden. Not alone, it doesn't exist, it never shut up. But things popping out of existence, which we have witnessed by science, then you can say something freaky, yeah, the universe just came to exist. I guess look at it like that. If we didn't observe from the cosmic microwave background radiation, all the red spots in the whole universe that the scientists have found, and things popping in and out of existence, then you could say, you have more water, you could say, okay, maybe the deity eternal always existed. But, but you could say that, but still leaves gaps, the infinite regression of the deity. But the universe is it's like Lauren Krauss said, it's whether it is, we are insignificant, and that's why people maybe towards religions, they feel the more significant because they believe, oh, God created me, I'm happy to exist, I'm happy to live. But the universe is more mysterious, bizarre, and it's not happy. It's not happy news. We kind of are insignificant. I mean, the stars exploded. We have in our gases in our body, the stars exploded. People can equate that to religion, but once you put that religion, you just walk that line of delusion. You gotta stay on point. So yeah, the stars exploded, and that's and the whole thing makes us up, and the dark energy, dark matter. It's like there's empty space, but even when there's not empty space, there's still shit going on. It's some freaky ass shit, man. Just imagine, man. say like if there was an internal creator or a god or whatever, it'll be so more complex that not even science could explain anything, because it'd be way beyond our realm. Because that only God or that creator would know everything that we couldn't comprehend. But since science can explain things, like I said, there's no need for a creator or God. It's just some freaky ass shit. And if there's aliens, it's going to be even more fucking freaky. If they had anything to do with the whole universe, is some freaky ass shit. And yeah, I just can't wait more years. What we're gonna find out, man. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be some freaky, man. I don't think there's like a shining figure, just glowing, you know, because people always say God. Well, God is all around. God is every single place. But I don't think there's like a shining figure in space just glowing, just glowing. I believe they're probably like different species. So these are reasons why I don't believe in gods or atheists, and I don't believe in atheists because, like I said, the laws on Earth work accordingly. You see something, it stays there. It just doesn't disappear. It stays there. But in space, it doesn't do that, man. You got this shit popping in and out of existence. It's fucking freaky. So, it's some freaky ass shit. Stay tuned, motherfuckers. Yeah, Atheist for life. We're gonna solve this motherfucker. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna take the religion now. We're gonna destroy all the religions. Once we solve the mystery, we're gonna blow people's minds away. It's gonna be insane. Hell yeah. Scientists for life.